Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do an oil change. As you can see at the first clip of the video, we bought some oil. I just used the Castrol like Castrol Edge 020, so that's because oil is in oil, so go and do the process of changing the oil. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and I'm gonna teach you, not teach you, but probably, I don't know, I'm not a teacher, but probably show you guys how to do a oil change on Subaru BRZ. So let's go and get into it. First of all, we're going to jack it all up. So I have the jacks over here. We'll pick it up. So look guys, messy here. So let's go and put the jacks on. And we jack up the car already, so it's ready to go and go underneath it. So we did jack it all up. Then I got the jack stands there. So I believe you gotta use 14 mil to go and undo the drain plug. But first of all, let's go get the oil pan. My oil pan is over there. So we're just gonna put it underneath. So I get the drain out, the plug out, and drain the oil, and I accidentally dropped the little thingy on the drain plug. So I have to wait until this thing's done, and it's gonna be a little bit messy. So yeah, I found the plug. So we're just gonna put it back in there, and we're gonna put the new oil, and we're gonna take off that one, the filter. So yeah, let's go and do that one after we put this one in back to the oil pan. So yeah. Then what you can do is you gotta lube this area here, so that it will be tight seal. Alright, so don't forget to lube that area right there. So now what we're going to do next is I will put this cloth around here, so that when we put the oil, if ever we're going to make a mess, it won't be going to your engine, and yeah. That was it guys. If you learned something from this video, click that like button right there, and I'm gonna end this vlog here today. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll probably see you guys on my next video. So don't forget, if you didn't watch the other vlogs, I'll put them on my link in the description below. So yeah. thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.